Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today's going to be another case unboxing video, but it's going to be a little different. Let me tell you why. So normally I unbox speaking cases. If you've seen my other videos, for all my phones I've unboxed speaking cases, and I've been with Speaking for a while now. I've liked their cases a lot, but recently I decided to change to another brand. I wanted to try out different cases. So I saw this Tozo case on somebody, not the same version or the same kind, but I just saw Tozo, and it seemed like a nice, it seemed like cool. They had some cool cases, so I decided to buy this new hybrid one for the recent Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus I just bought. So I'm gonna just test this out a little, see how well it is compared to my speaking cases. And also one thing I want to state out is, recently I bought a ultra hybrid case from Spigen for my iPhone SE2. And it looks pretty similar. So it's the clear back and then the matte finish on the sides and everything, and then the camera bump is matte. So it might be as well as the Spigen one. I might even change to this brand. So let me open this up. There's a pull tab right here. Let's pull that out. Simple box. That's what I like. It's only a case. You're not buying anything special. So there's some customer service stuff. 1-year warranty. If you guys want that, you can check it out. Just take that out. Put all this wrapper to the side, the box right there. Toss that. And then we have our customer service. Toss that. So feels pretty nice. The sides are slippery, just like the Spigen one. There's this plastic thing on it, so I guess it keeps it scratch free while it's getting packaged up or something. So it's very lightweight. Let me just put this on really quick. Let's see how well or how easy it is to put it on. Nothing, it's not that hard, just slides on right away. So there's not a big bump on the lip. So there's not a big lip, so if you do drop it like this, I don't feel like it's going to protect it as much as other cases with lips. But there's still a lip. Tiny raised one, but it's okay. And then there's a big camera bump on the back. Like there's a lip around the camera. I don't think it should have been this big. I don't think this is necessary. Well, I'm not one to talk because I don't make cases, but just saying, they could have raised the lip on these sides right here a little more, so we could have had more protection on the front, but I guess that's okay. So a nice lip on the back for the camera, protects your camera, and then the sides are raised a little, so if you do drop it like this, it's not gonna damage the sides. And then, just a normal case. Overall, pretty simple, nice case, lightweight. Did not add much weight to my phone. Still feels the same, around the same. So overall, I've had this for a couple minutes now. Can't say too much about the case, but so far, the case feels pretty nice. I'm gonna test this out a little more, and then I'll probably make an upcoming video about this like a week later or something, just to tell you guys my thoughts on this case or if it's worth the money. It's not that much anyways. It's around 10 bucks USD. So I guess that's about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love it if you guys commented down, and see you guys in the next video.